you get a lot of support from Ovenu head office. Rick's at the end of the phone if you need him to be. You've got marketing advice, you've got social media advice, you've got a whole pocket full of helpers there to help you along the way.
The support that Ovenu give you. I did do my research before I entered into the Ovenu franchise. I tried the competitors, I went to all the head offices. I like the way that it's a family business run by a chap called Rick Halliwell and the rest of his family. They're always at hand.
For me, the support I get from head office when I require it is absolutely bang on. No complaints with that.
I've had fantastic support. When I went for my initial training with the guys at head office, the support was great. It's just, it's a family-run business. Everyone's so relaxed. You're put at ease straight away. And the support, you can call up, you can email, you get responded to really quickly. And there's always somebody that will help you if you need the help.
Everyone's been absolutely brilliant. Support's been absolutely fantastic. So no, I'm really glad I've done it, and really I wish I'd done it before that. I really done.
Head office were fantastic. They were very supportive with the transition. They knew from day one that I was a little bit sceptical, not really having done it before, not knowing what to do, but they were so supportive. And they helped me every step of the way. They still do now.
I mean, I've been going 17 years, but it's been going over 25 years now. So there's experience beyond my experience. And so if you come in fresh, you can lean on the people that have been doing it longer. There's always someone that will know something. And I'm still learning myself, but if you were an independent, you literally are on your own, and this is the team.
I wouldn't go any other way. I wouldn't have gone independent. I think it's far too onerous on yourself.